Hi, I'm Alistair at Tregode Holiday Park. Just wanted to take you for a wander around this fantastic Victory Franklin that we have for sale here. It is actually normally a sea view pitch and you can see out over to Looe Island, but as you can see with Cornwall, you never know what the weather's going to do, and today we've got 30 metres of visibility. So believe it or not, you can actually see right out into the countryside that way, and you've got a stunning view down to Looe Island and out to sea that way. But more importantly, let's have a look around the lodge. So we're in the lounge area first off, really nice area. Lovely big comfy seats. We've got this fantastic fireplace here, which is great to come and chill out, watch your favourite TV programme and just kick back and relax. We've got a wine cooler just here in the kitchen, and then it's a really open plan feel to this one, so great for entertaining. You've got this great cooker and you've got this microwave just here too, all at a really good height, so you're not bending down low to pull a roasted chicken out or your Sunday roast. Again, really nice big fridge freezer just there too, and then a nice big counter surface here for food prep as well. Tregode's a great place where you will hopefully make friends for life with other like-minded families on the park. One of the nice things with this lodge is that it's got this fantastic dining table. Great place to be able to invite your friends or neighbours round, just come back, cook a really nice meal in the big kitchen here. Really open plan feel to this one, so great for entertaining. Just take you for a wander through to the back. One of the really nice features with this is it's actually got its own utility area, and we've actually got a washing machine just in there too. So if you do have dogs with muddy paws, it's a great place to wash them off. We're really pet friendly here. 80% of our owners have got dogs, and we were a UK finalist in pet friendly category for holiday parks. We do get business people that purchase on the park here as well, because it's a great place to come to. We've got good broadband speed on the park, which is all piped into all of the lodges, and it's a great place to come and work while you're not too far away from your business. So family can be off having fun, you can be catching up on emails at the same time. So really nice feature with this one. We've got family bathroom here with this fantastic walk-in shower. Really nice feature, plenty of space. So yeah, that's it's even got a Velux window up there. Today you're watching the raindrops, unfortunately, but could be sunshine another day. So twin room just here. Lovely big room, got a dressing mirror, nice big wardrobe, plenty of space between the beds. Again, this is on a really quiet location on the park. It's at the end of a cul-de-sac. Great for the kids to use their bikes outside and just, you know, they're in a safe and secure environment. And finally, we'll just go and have a very quick look at the master bedroom. As you can see, there's absolutely tons of room in the master bedroom here. You know, there's plenty of room to walk around. You've got wardrobes on either side just here too, and then we do have as well this fantastic ensuite bathroom. So after a hard day watching your emails and things like that, you've got a place to come and kick back and relax in here too. So I hope you like it. This one is available. It's $199,995. That's an all ready to go price, so you can be up and running, ready to go. Enjoy the 2025 season. It does include this year's site fees and the decking in the price as well. If you do want any more information on it, you're more than welcome to give us a call, 01503 390 004. My name's Alistair.